Welcome to Technia TV. I am Jagrati Basera, faculty of BJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on radio jockeying and news reading. Today's topic is process of news writing. All news items received from its own reporters, correspondents, monitoring service and from news agencies pour into the news divisions. The AIR newsroom in New Delhi feeds news from some 146 homes and external news bulletin. How it has done ensuring uniformity and speed. To meet this requirement, AIR has introduced a system of what is called news pool, which is prepared in English. All incoming news after editing is put into the pool, which is split into news categories such as home, foreign, parliament and sports. Inclusion of an item is the pool means the news which is broadcast worthily. It has already been written in broadcast style. Any linkage and background required has been done. The entire pool copy is distributed among all editors compiling different bulletins. The editors preparing the pool copy also look after the important developing stories and constantly go on revising the updating them. They also prepare roundups and important events and happenings such as riots, floods, whatever it is in the news. The newsroom has 4 shifts during a day, and each shift issues its own pool copy. During morning, daytime, evening and night, compiling editor working on the language bulletin look after a group of bulletin like regional language of East and South Indians. As similar, the external bulletin are also combined. The compiling editor further selects and proofs the news item keeping in the view the duration of each bulletin and the interest of the target audience. They prepare the bulletin and together with the headlines, send them to the language units and the external service units where they are translated and put out in their language. Translation of news story in different language should not be translations. These should be rewritten keeping in the view the direction, style and the flow of the language into which the translation is done. Also, the format of the language bulletin should be different. For instance, Ganesh Puja needs prominent place in Marathi bulletin and Durga Puja in Bengali. After preparing the news story, the editor has to decide which item apart from the lead story are to be headlined. Headline them that will ensure a good audience for you. Headlines should be brief. As a rule, they are repeated because quite often may listener tune in late and only from the repeated headlines do they know the important news of the day. So that's all for today. I hope you understand the topic, and for watching more videos, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you and have a nice day.